If you're running a startup, you need a good pitch. One that presents your company in the best light and motivates people to invest. Your pitch can make or break your business, and this is why you have to ensure it is engaging, informative, and attractive at the same time. Hey, I'm Ina from Kashu, and today I'll share how to create a great first impression and pitch your investors the right way. A sales pitch is a short presentation of your company to prospects or investors. It needs to convince people that your company is worth investing in. The problem is that people's attention span is very short these days. So presenting a long text or a boring slideshow won't impress or be remembered. A good sales pitch makes people crave to learn more about your company, is engaging and exciting to watch, but informative at the same time. This is why many companies use video to present their idea in the best light. A good way to do this is with animation. Most of the companies we have worked with have a complex product or service that is very hard to explain with live footage or text. Animations can simplify the idea and engage the audience. They can turn abstract ideas into exciting visuals, making animation one of the best ways to present an idea or a concept. They're fun to watch, and most people prefer watching a video to reading text. But since your product is complex, how do you create the perfect pitch while making sure people understand the concept? We have worked on thousands of sales pitch videos, and today I'll show you the steps you can take to build your video from scratch. The most important factor when creating a sales pitch video is to ensure you connect with the audience. Otherwise, they won't listen. So the first step is to analyze who will be watching your video. If you're pitching to investors, are they familiar with your industry? Who are they? What would they like to see in a company? What are their values and beliefs? What are some possible objections they might have? Answering these questions would help you structure your video. You would also understand what's important to them, so you can communicate this in your video and impress them. The best way to make people relate and engage them is to tell them a story. Pick a character for your video that resonates with the target audience or your users. Start with your audience's problem, but make sure it is relevant and don't exaggerate it. The problem should be something your audience experiences and is frustrated about. Or if you have found a gap in the industry, make sure you communicate the potential or current problems. Elaborate on why that's important and what can happen if these issues are not resolved. But it is best to keep all these problems in a form of a story where the main character resembles the target. This would make it more believable and engaging. Then after that, proceed by explaining your what, how, and why. What is the solution to this problem? Here, you can also mention the benefits, your story, and your unique selling points. How are you solving it? Here, you can mention how it works and what sets you apart from your competitors, if you have any. And why are you doing what you're doing? What's the result and what's the purpose of your organization? This should be a powerful message that connects with people who have similar values and beliefs as you and your company. Simon Sinek said, all organizations start with why, but only great ones keep their why clear year after year. The final step of creating a powerful sales pitch video is to add a CTA. What do you want people to do after watching the video? If the video is for investors, what would be the action you'd like them to take? Following these steps would help you create a great pitch video and impress your audience. If you need any help, drop us an email and we can help you simplify your message and turn it into an engaging video. Thank you very much for your time, and I'm going to see you next week.